Welcome to the EZU course about importing leads in EZLynx. In this course, you will learn how to import leads via CSV into Sales Center. This is a great tool for leads that don't automatically push into EZLynx through consumer quoting or lead generators. So, let's get started. To navigate there, hover over the Sales Center icon, which resembles a briefcase. Next, select Leads. Once you land on the Leads page, click Import. On the Upload Leads page, notice in the information box that for the easiest import experience, you can download the approved CSV template for personal or commercial leads. Please ensure the first row contains the column headers. You can use the Lines of Business Codes page and our prior carrier list to reference for valid entries. Now that you have your lead list, choose whether the leads are personal or commercial. For this example, we are using personal leads. Next, give the leads list a name. This doesn't have to be a unique name, but we recommend using a descriptive name because you can filter leads by the import list name. If applicable, use the drop-down to select your lead source and assigned producer the leads will be assigned to in the EZLynx system. Now, you can drag your file or click in the box to browse your computer for the lead list. Please keep in mind that this file must be in CSV format. Next, agree to the service terms and when ready, click Continue. You will be taken to the mapping stage of the import. For the first time, you will need to create a mapping for each column from the spreadsheet to EZLynx fields. EZLynx will match column headers that match the EZLynx fields. Any that do not match will not have a value shown in the corresponding drop-down. Required fields will show an error when no selection is made. Use the drop-down to match the fields. Before continuing, you must save the new mapping for future imports. If you have previously created mappings, they will be available in the drop-down list of saved field mappings. The most recently used mapping will be the one that shows up when you come to this step. Saving a mapping means you can use a similar file each time without having to map the columns to the respective EZLynx data field. A new mapping can be made at any time by selecting Create New Mapping and removed if no longer needed by selecting Delete Mapping. Please note that any changes made after a mapping is selected will be saved to that mapping when you move to the next step. Therefore, when ready, click Continue. On the duplicate check page, EZLynx will look for current applicants who appear to possibly match those listed on your file. If no duplicates are found, you can proceed by clicking Import, which will take you to the Leads Import Results page. From here, click back to Leads List to view the Leads List page. The Leads List page is a way to manage unqualified leads so they are kept separate from qualified opportunities. It is a place to manage your unqualified leads without bogging down your active sales pipeline. We will cover this page later in the video. Taking a step back, if a duplicate is detected, you can review the possible duplicates and determine if you would like to create an opportunity for the existing applicant or create a new lead. Please note, creating an opportunity for a lead is what creates the applicant in the EZLynx system. If you're creating an opportunity for a commercial client, please note that the business name outlined in your field mapping will also be the account name in EZLynx unless otherwise specified. To learn more about how to create an opportunity for leads, watch the Sales Pipeline with Sales Center video. Notice to the right you can use Quick Match. This saves you time by automatically selecting Create Opportunity for the applicants with only one match in the system. Under that are the potential duplicates. Create New Lead is selected by default. Select Create Opportunity for if you want an opportunity to be created. Notice the top filter updates when the selection is made. If further investigation is needed to verify a duplicate, you can open the applicant in a new tab by clicking the Open in New Window button. If you have multiple duplicates, you can collapse all, expand all or select individual line items making it easier to manage. When ready, click Import. A prompt will display to confirm the opportunity source and assigned producer for the leads marked for opportunity creation. If those fields were provided on the first step, they would automatically display here. If not, use the drop-down to complete the fields. Click Create, and you will be taken to a Leads Import Results page. From here you can choose to go to Opportunities to begin your sales process or select Back to Leads List to go to the Leads List page to see the leads just created. Finally, let's cover if an invalid lead is found in your import. This check is done after the duplicate check step and triggers when you click the Import button. This will take you to the Leads Import Results page, where the system will display a warning. You will be given the opportunity to download the list of leads that have an error in the CSV file. Please note, once you navigate away from this page, you will not be able to retrieve this invalid list. Click Download Invalid Leads to view the CSV file on your computer. A message about the error will be found in the last column, Invalid Reason. In our example, we have an invalid state code. Fix any errors, then import the fixed invalid list using the same steps as before. If all the invalid leads are fixed, you will no longer see the warning and can make your way to the leads list page. Now that we are back on the leads list page, you can view the list of imported leads. Notice you can search the list and a filter is automatically applied to only show the leads for the current list imported. If you would like to see all the leads outside of the list you just imported, click on Filters and then the X to remove the list as a filter and apply. Notice all the previous leads we haven't worked displayed. You can also use the filters to narrow down the list to only show the imported leads list you want to see. Additionally, you can export the list and use the Show Hide dropdown to manage the columns. Next, select leads using the checkbox for the respective line items. This will give you bulk actions for email campaign, create opportunity, assign producer and delete. Clicking Create Opportunity will display the Create Opportunities option. Here you will select opportunity source and assign producer, then click Create. If you select only one lead to create an opportunity, you will also have the option to create and open. This will take you directly to their opportunity in Sales Center. Additionally, you can click Edit to make any changes to the lead. Don't forget to save if changes are made. That's all for this EZU course on importing leads in EZLynx. You should now have the knowledge and skills to import leads via Sales Center. Thanks for watching.